In our modern world, average life expectancies are higher than ever. And with continual breakthroughs and advances in the fields of science and medicine, they'll likely continue to rise. But are we healthier than ever before? Are the many years we're living filled with wellness and vitality? Or are we spending those extra years unable to do the things we love because of poor health? Unlike lifespan, which is strictly the years of your life, health span refers to how long your wellness and overall health last. Of course, unavoidable consequences of aging ultimately come to us all. It's part of the human experience. None of us are immortal. But who says that aging has to look the way it does? Welcome to the MetaPWR education course. Throughout this course, you'll be introduced to a line of powerful natural products that can help you sustain your metabolic health to put more life in your years. Everyone wants a health span that matches their lifespan, and MetaPWR helps maximize the impact of your healthy choices. How MetaPWR does this, you'll learn in the coming modules.